Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about the wet brush, and these are the mini Detangler multi-packed. These are the limited edition ones, so you probably have seen this brand before, but the bigger brushes, and I thought these were a must-have. So they have it in so many different colors. You can buy just one, or you can buy the multi-pack, which I did, which comes in purple, pink, and blue. So let's get it open so I can show you guys. So these are supposed to be so easy to detangle your hair, which is great, but the reason I bought them is that I needed more brushes and to leave them spread out. So they are so small that you can definitely put this in a purse or your book bag. I'll be taking it to school and work, so whenever I need that touch up or I need to put my hair in a ponytail or my hair is tangled, I have something I can use. And I think they're the perfect size, whether you're keeping it in your bathroom so you can brush your hair when it's wet, or you just need something small and easy to help you touch up during the day. I think these are incredible. They're amazing, and they are the perfect size. You guys, look at it compared to the size of my hand. It is just incredibly perfect on the go. I recommend these 10 out of 10. Go get yourselves one. You can get your favorite color, you can get the multi-pack, whatever you guys want, but these are definitely must have.